Aluminum oxide ceramic edge ring, a high-purity alumina mechanical ring precision machined to sit inside the etch chamber of a semiconductor process tool surrounding the wafer edge. This ring is one of the most critical consumable components in a plasma etch system. Its geometry, purity, and surface condition directly control how the plasma sheath behaves at the boundary of the wafer, determining whether the etch process is uniform from center to edge, or whether the wafer edge shows the tilted profiles and non-uniform critical dimensions that force rework or scrap. Five material properties make high-purity alumina the preferred choice for semiconductor etch chamber edge rings. First, purity of 99% or above. This ensures the ring does not release metal ions or contaminant particles into the plasma environment, protecting wafer surface integrity and device yield. Second, resistance to fluorine and chlorine-based plasma chemistries. Alumina withstands the reactive gases used in dielectric and conductor etch processes without rapid surface erosion. Third, ultra-low outgassing. The dense sintered microstructure releases negligible volatiles under vacuum, maintaining chamber base pressure and process stability. Fourth, dimensional stability under thermal cycling. The ring holds its geometry through repeated heating and cooling cycles inside the chamber, keeping the plasma boundary consistent from wafer to wafer. And fifth, machining tolerance held to ±0.005 mm on critical dimensions, ensuring the ring seats precisely on the electrode and maintains uniform gap to the wafer edge. Every etch chamber design specifies unique edge ring dimensions. The outer diameter and inner diameter define how the ring seats on the lower electrode and how closely it approaches the wafer edge. The ring height directly controls the vertical gap between the ring surface and the wafer plane, which in turn shapes the plasma sheath boundary at the wafer periphery. ADCERAX machines these edge rings with surface finish below raw 0.4 micrometers on plasma-facing surfaces, because surface roughness directly affects particle generation and plasma coupling consistency. Inner diameter chamfers, edge radii, and step profiles are all customized to match your specific chamber design. Material purity is available from 99% to 99.9% aluminum oxide, higher purity grades for the most contamination-sensitive process nodes. The defining application for a high-purity alumina edge ring is the plasma etch chamber in semiconductor fabrication. Inside a dry etch system, whether reactive ion etch, inductively coupled plasma, or capacitively coupled plasma, the wafer sits on an electrostatic chuck, and the edge ring surrounds the wafer perimeter. The ring geometry shapes how the plasma sheath terminates at the wafer boundary. Without the ring, or with a worn ring whose dimensions have drifted, the plasma density at the wafer edge differs from the center, causing tilted etch profiles and non-uniform critical dimensions on the outermost dies, the dies that represent a significant fraction of total yield. A fresh, precisely machined alumina edge ring restores that boundary condition. The ring height sets the correct gap, the inner diameter controls the proximity to the wafer edge, and the surface finish determines how consistently the plasma couples to the ring surface cycle after cycle. High purity, 99% or above, ensures that the ring does not shed metal ions into the plasma, which would deposit on the wafer as defect, causing contaminants. And because alumina resists fluorine and chlorine plasma chemistries, the ring erodes slowly and predictably, giving the chamber a longer run between preventive maintenance stops. For every semiconductor fab running advanced logic, memory, or power device nodes, the alumina edge ring is the consumable that quietly determines whether the outermost row of dies on every wafer meets specification or becomes scrap.